Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we show you how to convert your video from the OBS if you have a recording today. So now first I need to go to file, and this Remux, it means Remux. Can you convert our record like this OBS recording? And go to here, press this, and pressure on anything like this because check where your like the convert your where you put your record, just like anything that works. Then open and press Remux. Now it's recording Remux, and go to the file and go to our my file because I put in about here, and now see that it's file. It's 100% work. So I will show you again because I'm not saying from fake or like this. Now we don't have anything, and I'm gonna remix again, and we're gonna clear item. Go to here and the remix again. Now it's here now. Oh, you see that I'm not faking about this. It's not very scam. And can you see this? Now you see that now it's really 100% working. So thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you wanna like it, like typing anyone whatever. It looks 100% working. And thank you. Goodbye.